Buenos dias, hello everyone, this is Glenn Irvin of Spanish, and this is a quick tech tip about Google Doc Add-ons. One of the biggest complaints I believe about Google Docs is that it's just very limited. It doesn't have enough tools and resources, things you might find, for example, in Microsoft Word. Well, people have gone through and created some add-ons and basically made Google Docs way more robust. And what's cool about it is that the majority of these are actually free. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and first of all get to the add-ons, and it's super easy. It's up on your top tabs here. I'm going to click on add-ons and then click get add-ons. And so easy enough, it'll take you to basically it's a little store, and you can even have them sorted by education, for example. If you wanted to look at some education ones, you can look at them for some business or productivity ones, depending on what you're looking for. Or you can just try to take a guess as far as what you're looking specifically for, whether it be editing or something like that. I'm going to show you a couple of them that I highly recommend just for yourself or for your students. So let's go to add-ons here, and let's take a look at the first one that I really love, and it is called a language tool. Okay, so language tool, I have an example paragraph down here, or an essay presentation that I did, and I'm going to go to language tool, and I want to have it check the language in these paragraphs that I wrote. Not only is it going to check, for example, my grammar, my punctuation, but it'll give me some feedback on why I should change things or what I should go ahead and do to be able to go ahead and change the things that I wrote. This is great for whenever you write something extensive or your students write something extensive. So first of all, it tells me, hey, I checked all the characters here, and then I found some spelling mistakes, possibly some things, some spaces in between sentences, and then some different things like right here where it tells me, hey, this is a clause, maybe you need a comma or a question or exclamation mark you're missing here, and it's found the word in Spanish here, abuela, so it's detecting something weird here, again, adding punctuation and so on and so forth. Fantastic, easy way for you or your students to quickly check not only the spelling, grammar, punctuation, and everything else between the sentences. It is free, easy to use. It's called, again, Language Tool. The other one that I really like and enjoy is this one right here about EasyBib. So, for example, EasyBib, I'm going to go ahead and go to Manage a Bibliography. If your students are writing something that it requires citations, or you are doing something yourselves, super easy because it's embedded inside of the Google Doc itself instead of going to a different tab. So, for example, I'm reading a book called Innovators Mindset, and it is by George Couros. Let's see if it just finds the book really quick. And it says, hey, I found your Innovator's Mindset, and I can select it. And then it says, what do you want me to do? I want you to go ahead and add a bibliography to the doc itself, and it's going to add it to the document itself. Super easy to go ahead and do. I think it's fantastic. You can see right here, it's a works cited page. Put George Couros' name right there. Everything's super easy cheesy. Tons of different ones you can use. If you're a language teacher, I found tons of ones that had to do with easy accent marks, so you wouldn't have to type in things. Things if you wanted to add graphics to your Google Docs, if you want to emulate kind of the things that you would find in a Microsoft Word package that aren't part of the tools here inside of Google Docs, you can add that kind of add-on, and so many more things. If you have any questions about any of these, or you want to experiment with one of them and you want us to help you out, let us know. We are more than happy to help. Have a great weekend. Adios. Hasta la vista.